What's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to AI Weekly from Techie Talks AI. I am Abhijit, your host, bringing you the most explosive week in AI yet. This week, we saw browser wars ignite, a $50 billion bet on AI infrastructure, and major expansions that will change everything. We have got Anthropic launching a game-changing browser agent, Google dropping what they call the world's top-rated image editor, and Meta making moves that send shockwaves through Silicon Valley. Stick around because some of these developments will directly impact how you use AI starting this week. Let's dive right into the biggest story. Anthropic just launched Claude for Chrome, and folks, this is massive. Released just yesterday on August 26th, this isn't just another chatbot extension. We are talking about a full AI agent that can actually see and control your browser. Picture this: Claude sitting right beside you as you browse, understanding everything on your screen and actually taking actions for you. Need to fill out forms? Claude's got you. Want to research and compile information? Claude handles it. But here is what makes us different from other browser AI. Anthropic built in serious safety measures. They learned from Perplexity's security issues with their Comet browser and implemented defenses that reduced prompt injection attacks from 24% to just 11%. That's huge for security. Right now, it's rolling out to their $100 to $200 per month max subscribers. But this is clearly the future of how we'll interact with the web. Speaking of game changers, Google DeepMind just dropped what they are boldly calling the world's highest rated image editor directly into the Gemini app. This launched yesterday and it's already making waves. Here is why this matters. You can now upload any photo and describe changes you want, and Gemini will make those edits while preserving the original likeness perfectly. Want to give yourself a 1960s beehive hairstyle? Done. Dress your dog in a tutu? Gemini's go-to covered. But it goes beyond fun edits. We are talking professional applications like interior design previews, fashion mockups, creative storytelling, etc. Every image gets both visible and invisible synth ID watermarks, so you always know it's AI generated. This is Google's direct shot at Adobe and other image editing giants, and it's free in the mobile app. Now let's talk about Meta's massive week. Hold on your seats. President Trump announced that Meta's new Louisiana AI data center will cost $50 billion. That's not a typo, folks. This facility in Richland Parish is designed to be the largest AI data center of its kind. But here is the kicker. This comes right after Meta restructured their entire AI division and is considering layoffs in their AI workforce. Talk about mixed signals. They are spending astronomical amounts on infrastructure while potentially cutting the people who built the AI. Meta also just partnered with Midjourney to license their aesthetic technology for future products. This means Meta's AI-generated images are about to get a major quality boost. The timing is interesting though. Some analysts are wondering if Meta is hedging their bets as AI hype might be cooling down. Meanwhile, across the globe, OpenAI is making their biggest international move yet, announcing their first India office in New Delhi for late 2025. This is massive because India is ChatGPT's second largest market after the US. Here are the numbers that will blow your mind. Indian ChatGPT users grew 4 times over the past year, with students being the largest global user group. India is also a top 5 developer market on the OpenAI platform. Sam Altman said India has all the ingredients to become a global leader in AI. That's high praise. They are planning on Education Summit in August and their first developer day in India later this year. Plus, they are offering 500,000 ChatGPT licenses to Indian students and teachers through their Learning Accelerator program. This isn't just expansion. It's OpenAI recognizing where the future of AI adoption is happening. Now here is where things get interesting and a bit concerning. Meta just restructured their AI division, now called Meta Super Intelligence Labs, into 4 separate teams under new leadership. But employees are worried. There is talk of layoffs and reassignments despite Meta spending millions hiring AI talent over the past year. Some executives have already left. This sudden shift from aggressive expansion to potential downsizing has staff unsettled. The new structure includes teams for large language models like Llama, long-term AI research under FAIR, consumer AI products, and infrastructure. It sounds organized on paper, but the timing raises questions, especially coming right after GPT-5's lukewarm reception. Let's shift to some positive developments. India is making serious moves in AI policy and development. The Reserve Bank of India released their free AI committee report with 7 guiding principles for responsible AI in finance. They have launched Mule Hunter AI to help banks detect fraud faster. Plus, there is the India AI NCG Cancer AI Challenge offering up to 50 lakh rupees in funding for AI solutions in cancer care. With India's growing AI ecosystem generating $250 billion annually and employing 6 million people, the government is taking a proactive approach to AI leadership. The 8th Global AI Leadership Meet just happened in Delhi with the theme AI for India, Trusted, Inclusive, Global, Sustainable. This isn't just policy talk. It's strategic positioning for AI dominance. The DeepSeek saga continues with growing security concerns. Multiple countries have banned or restricted this Chinese AI due to data privacy issues and potential leaks to military intelligence operations. The latest version, R10528, shows increased censorship, especially around Chinese government criticism. Cybersecurity experts found hidden code that potentially sends user data directly to Chinese servers. Italy, Taiwan, and the US have raised red flags about national security risks. While some Silicon Valley startups still use DeepSeek to save costs, many organizations have banned it outright. The lesson here? Always consider the security implications of the AI tools you use. What a week! We have seen browser AI go mainstream, image editing gets democratized, infrastructure investments hit record levels, and global AI competition intensify. The key takeaway? AI is moving from experimental to essential across every sector. For you as creators, developers, and businesses, these developments mean more powerful tools at your fingertips, but also the need to stay informed about security and choose your AI tools wisely. What story excited you most? Are you ready to try Claude's browser agent? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for weekly AI updates, and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next week when we dive into whatever AI curveballs the industry throws our way. Until then, keep innovating. Thank you. Bye bye.